Welcome to Chad Hates Carbs. Today we're going to take a look at Sola Granola. Yes, it's a silly rhyming thing. This is maple pecan chocolate granola. 4 grams of net carbs. Let's hit these first. 2/3 of a cup, which is not a ton in terms of volume, is 100 and, let's see, that's a snack serving. Okay, so 2/3 of a cup is the bowl serving, that's 280 calories. And the carbohydrates, you got 19 grams of carbs, 4 grams of dietary fiber, 6 grams of sugar alcohol. So you're talking about 9 grams net, which isn't bad. Then the interesting thing though is that when you do the math, allulose is not considered to be a sugar alcohol. So you have to subtract that off as well, which is where you actually get the 4 grams net, right? So as always, it's a little bit difficult to deal with, but I have enjoyed Sola Granola in the past in terms of their cereal kind of stuff. And again, the way that I normally handle my cereals, looks like about 2/3 of a cup, is that I put water in a bowl, then I pour a little bit of heavy cream, and then I kind of mix it up, which is what I've already done in here. Put a little bit of heavy cream in here. Obviously, it's more calories, higher fat, so in spite of the fact that this doesn't have a ton of fat in it, yeah, it's only, well, this isn't too bad. It's got 22 grams of total fat, so that is good. So here you go. I'm sure that's coming from all the seeds and all the good stuff. So I do like this because it's a lot more quote unquote real. It's not a bunch of extruded protein stuff like a lot of the low carb cereals are. This is a lot more like, I mean, it feels like you're eating at a health food store, but you know, sometimes that's what you want. It's a good time, man. Old man glasses. Number 1 ingredient is almonds. Go figure. This is I'm gonna admit, this is the downside. They have a soy crisp. Not a fan of soy. Again, I wouldn't be eating this every day. This is like a, hey, it's cereal day, I'm gonna try it. But that includes soy protein isolate and tapioca starch. Then it's sunflower seeds, then erythritol, then pumpkin seeds, then allulose, then coconut, sunflower oil, chocolate chips, flax meal, pecans, natural maple flavors, monk fruit, and stevia. So the sweeteners are allulose, monk fruit, and stevia, along with erythritol. So it does a really good job of like kind of taking over that issue where a lot of times if you have just a single sweetener, it goes really hard in a direction, like tastes like you're eating an aluminum can, which that's one of the benefits of using multiple sweeteners. So definitely nailed it in terms of making this not taste super fake. I mean, what can I say? The number 1 ingredient is almonds, and I love almonds, so yeah, maple pecan chocolate flavor is a winner. Absolutely would give this stuff like a 9 probably in terms of scale. I gotta knock it down a bit for that soy bit in there. Not a huge fan of that stuff, but all the other stuff they nailed it. So highly recommended. Good stuff. And again, let me be clear. The other really nice thing about it is it is higher in fat, which means you're going to be full longer, and it's going to help with your blood sugar maintenance. So good stuff. Anyway, with that, please like and subscribe. See y'all later. Have a great day.